Hi, colleagues. For today's test, some people had problems setting up their Jabba headsets. It's Jabra, but never mind. So this is a very short and basic tutorial showing you how to do it. First of all, you have to plug in your Jabba into any of the USB ports of your computer. Any of them will do. 2.0, 3.0, it doesn't make any difference for your headsets. Then you go to the taskbar, you click on the arrow, and then you right-click on the loudspeaker icon. You go to Open Sound Settings, and this is what you will see, hopefully. Now your output is the sound coming out of your system. The input is your microphone. For the output, you will have several choices, maybe not as many as here, but you will have your speakers, and you will also have your Jabba. This is the one you should choose. Here is the volume, and for your input, again, you will be choosing your Jabba. Here I have a separate microphone because I'm using a tabletop Shure microphone with an audio interface, which in my opinion works much better. Now, I will choose the Jabba now, and you will hear the sound through the microphone that comes with the headset. Okay, so yeah, that's me again, and hopefully you can hear the difference. And this is your Jabba, and I'm going back to my original setup. Yes, so that's it. Basically, your computer should always be able to find your headsets when they are plugged in automatically. But if not, you just have to go through these very simple steps and you will find them. Well, thank you.